welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install a new Reolink Video Doorbell at my in-laws. Their old one died and this was the perfect moment to try this one out. So let's start by unboxing it. And here it is. It's the 2K 4 megapixel battery powered video doorbell. It has a head-to-toe view and person, vehicle and package detection. Although I selected this doorbell on its specifications, that is not the focus of this video. I just want to show you how easy it is to install and explain it to your parents. On the back we have a USB-C port and a micro SD card slot. We also have two screws where you can attach the power adapter and a power button. It has a 7000 milliamps rechargeable battery, so it lasts a long time. Here we have the mounting brackets, one straight and one to angle the camera. Then we find an extension cable for the power cord and some plugs and screws. And the last thing in the box is a USB-C cable to charge the video doorbell. We are not going to use the SD card slot in the video doorbell, instead we're going to use this Home Hub Mini. In a previous video I already covered the Home Hub. The Home Hub Mini is a smaller version with only one SD card slot, but basically the same functions. On the front we have a power button, and on the back we find the SD card slot which supports up to 1 terabyte, a DC input port, LAN port and a USB port. The Home Hub Mini also functions as a GAN, but we also have a separate one to put in the hallway. It's nice, small, easy to understand buttons, and it makes a lot of noise. Okay, time to get to work, and let's start with installing the mini hub. We're putting the SD card in. Then give it some power and attach the LAN cable. Now let's go install the app on my mother-in-law's phone. The installation is quite simple and I was able to guide my parents-in-law, both 70 plus, through all the steps. We are almost done with installing the Home Hub Mini. Final step is formatting the SD card. Final step is file encryption, in this case I skipped it. And don't forget to claim your extended warranty. Next it's time to install the video doorbell itself, but first remove the old one. According to the instructions you have to screw down the angled plate first and then use the provided screws to put the mount on there. We just use 2 screws and mount it all in one. And then before you put the video bell into the mount, add it to the app first. We are using it with the home hub, and yes, we want to connect. And we just keep following the steps on the screen. After we select the mini home hub Wi-Fi signal to connect to, we have to scan this QR code. And this was a pain. It took me about 4 minutes to get it to read. But after that, everything works like intended. Final step is initialization, and after that we can give it a name. Some final warnings to make sure your camera has a long life, and then it's done. Now we can mount the camera.
Dat is het. Was hij vast?
Only thing left is check everything, set the right sounds, and add the Chime. I had so much fun testing all the sounds for at least 10 minutes, putting it on optimal monitoring mode just to see how long this battery lasts. Then it was time to explain how to remove the camera.
Hoop ik dat ik hem kan vangen, hij is los. Ja.
The reason I went for this one is not only the build and image quality, but also the fact that it's very suitable for elderly people with dummy-proof features. And after this it's time to test it with my parents-in-law, and you can judge the image quality yourself.
Ja, maar hier staat dat ik eerst doe. Ja, hallo.
Hallo.
Ja, hallo.
Ja, er zit iets vertraging hier.
Ja, alsjeblieft.
Nou, dat geeft niet.
Nou, dat geeft niet.
Dat geeft.
Oké.
Oké.
Check.
Jo.
I want to thank Reolink for sending me this video doorbell so I could make my parents-in-law happy. A special thanks to my Patreons for supporting my channel. And if you enjoy my videos, please leave a like and consider to subscribe. You can always support my channel by joining my Patreons. Links are in the descriptions below. For now, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.